Communicate your Wiifm. What is in it for me when writing your copy? You must manage to make your customers understand how your product will help them make their life much more easier. Similarly, you must make them understand how they will feel better, how they will save time and money, and many other benefits that your product will give them. In this step of writing your copy, you must use your product's characteristics and benefits to inform your target audience how they will benefit if they acquire your product. Your product and service are much more less important than the ability to satisfy the needs of your customers. The best way to achieve this is by asking yourself the question, what is in the product for me? Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.